Hello everyone and welcome back to another Femme Luxe review. I'm just going to go right into it because I love this dress. So I've paired it up with a pair of silver sandals. No hosiery today, guys. I decided to do something a little bit different and just keep it focused on the clothing. So this dress is a winner. I absolutely love the way it looks, the way it fits, the way it hugs, the color, everything. So let me just show you close up here. So that's how the top half looks. I obviously tighten it quite tight on the halter neck, and one thing I love about it is it's adjustable at the front, so I kind of just kept it like that because I quite like the whole keyhole peephole thing at the front. Another thing I love is the ruching. So the ruching happens just under the bust all the way down and also at the back, so it just emphasizes everything in the right places. I mean, you can't go wrong. Honest to God, you can't go wrong. Everything about this dress is amazing. I literally have no complaints. So this dress, I've just mentioned the fact that I've actually had to wear shorts underneath this because the bodysuit is so high and it exposes everything. Apart from that, oh my God, if this dress fit the way it should have and didn't be so exposing, this would have been just number one. This would have beat the blue dress. So I love the fact that it's complete mesh on top. So it's mesh arms, mesh on the body. It's I don't know the material at the top, but it is quite nice, I have to admit. And I like the fact that it's a halter neck style and off the shoulder type of style. I didn't know whether I need to keep these up or not, so that happened. Never mind, I've just left them down because it just works. One thing I really do like is the arm length is great on this, all ruched once again. And it's not really adjustable, but it fits really great. I literally have no complaints about it, to be honest. But one thing I do like is the fact that it's not short, so that helps. Another thing that I love, obviously that's me just outlining my shorts there, but one thing I do love is this mesh. Oh my God, it's sexy, it's classy, it's chic, it's everything. I just really wish it wasn't that short, or like in terms of the bodysuit part, I really wish it wasn't that bad, but there's literally not much I can do there, so never mind, hey ho. But otherwise, I like this dress. It's such a great dress, one that you can wear in warmer weather, on holiday, just anywhere. This is a dress I really want to wear somewhere because it is stunning, but it's just a shame about how short it is. And onto the final piece, one that disappoints me badly. So no footwear with this, just because I really couldn't bother to pull out a pair of trainers. This is supposed to be an oversized fit, but this is actually huge on me. It's huge. It does have a front pocket, which I do like. Hoodie's pretty decent on it as well. Arm length is pretty good. The one thing I despise, my nails turned a different color from wearing this. Everything I touched after I was in this changed color. The dye was coming off everywhere, so I just this automatically gave me like negative points, to be fair. But yeah, the quality is pretty standard. It's not the greatest. It could be so much better. But yeah, this is obviously how well the hood sits, so no complaints there. But it is just, I hate the fact that dye is left everywhere. This doesn't fit that great, and I really love oversized hoodies as well. Yeah, this was just a complete flop in my eyes, if I'm honest. And I don't understand that drawstring part at the bottom. They should have just kept it as elastic. But I suppose they're trying to be hip, but it just didn't work, if I'm honest. Yeah, I'm not rating this one at all, to be fair. But never mind. Until next time, guys.